Hello and welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Vaibhavi and today I'll show you how you can set up a hybrid professional scheduling setup using our new booking calendars. This setup is perfect for users who offer both virtual and in-person meetings along with multiple meeting durations such as 30 minutes or 60 minutes. A key concept in this setup is multi-location availability, where you can offer more than one meeting location like video or in-person. In booking calendars, there are two ways you can achieve this. The first is what we will cover in this video, that is creating a single booking calendar that supports multiple locations and durations in one seamless flow. The second is to use a booking hub where each option is separated into different calendars and presented as a menu. We'll cover that approach in a separate tutorial. In the classic system, this setup was often managed using multiple booking pages connected through a master page, but with booking calendars you can now replace that entire structure. In this tutorial, we'll create an all-in-one booking calendar that simplifies the experience for both you and your guests. Now let's get started. Now first we will start by configuring our availability and location. For this we will go to the profile icon and go to schedule meeting availability. And from here click on edit weekly working hours. I have already configured my working hours, that is from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Now over here let's set up your multi-location availability. In your availability settings, each time block can have different locations. It can be video conferencing over a phone or in person. For this particular use case, I want to have phone calls for all my working days, so I'll just click on it. Other than this, let's imagine that I have work from home for Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so I cannot have in-person meetings, so I only can handle virtual meetings. So I will keep the virtual option on for Monday, Friday and Wednesday. And as I work from office for Tuesday and Thursday, so I'll keep the in-person option on and select my office address and do the same for Thursday as well. And click on apply. Now each time block has its own combination of locations, and when a guest books, they will select their duration first, then they can choose from the multi-locations offered over here. Now this is how multi-location availability, time blocks and multi-duration work together to create a flexible booking experience for your guests. Now the next step is to configure your booking calendar. So we'll go back to our home page and then click on booking calendars and now create a booking calendar. We'll give it a name, for example consultation session, and just click on create. The very first thing we need to configure is the duration. We want to offer multiple durations, so we will just click on add duration and add the second duration, that is 1 hour. The next thing we'll set up is our hosts and co-hosts. Just click on the drop down button and select your profile and click on add. Now you are successfully added as the meeting host. Now let's configure our availability and location. By default, the calendar will automatically retrieve the settings from the user profile, and if you want to add a custom one, you can just choose this option to add it. For now, we will stick with retrieve from user profile. Then the last thing that we need to set up is our session type. We will keep it single session, that is one-on-one session. Now we'll just click on save. Now let's configure what your guests will see. For this we will go to the booking forms tab, and over here you can see that there are a lot of questions. These are the questions you ask your guests before they book a meeting with you. So you can ask them their name, their email, phone number, and even add questions to it such as reason for booking and their particular problem, etc. Unlike classic booking pages, forms are managed directly inside the calendar, making this configuration quite simple. The next thing you can set up is your notifications. You just go to the notifications tab. As you scroll down, you can see the notifications and the types of notifications that are sent. You can even click on any email template and customize it accordingly. This particular layout makes booking calendars feel quite clean, structured, and easily customizable. Finally, we can go to the page designer. Over here, you can see that we have a WYSIWYG editor. It means that what you see is what you get. Over here, you get to control how your booking page actually appears. Here you can see a list of features that you can use to customize it accordingly. Here you can customize the branding, upload images, adjust colors, and customize the layout according to your liking. One important thing you can do over here is edit the page URL. So you just need to click on customize URL. So we'll customize this and keep it consultation session and just click on save. The last thing we need to do is publish this particular booking calendar. For this, we will go to the status bar over here and just toggle the publish button on. Before you replace your old links, we need to test this particular booking flow and validate the link. For this, we will go to the page URL section and open this link in a new browser. Now we have opened our booking calendar in a new browser, and over here, before we replace our existing links with this new booking link, we need to validate certain things. First thing you need to confirm is whether the duration and location mentioned are correct, and also see whether the guest can choose between the two durations flexibly. You can go ahead and check whether the availability for each particular location is configured correctly. From here, you can even choose a particular time slot, go ahead and schedule a meeting to see whether the details you receive over your email or SMS are correct. Once everything looks good and you're happy with your booking calendar setup, you can go ahead and replace your old master page link with this single booking calendar link. And that's it. You have successfully replaced a complex master page setup with a single booking calendar. Your clients can now choose their meeting duration and location through one streamlined booking experience. Hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.